Hello everyone, welcome here. Getting started for HTML course. Let's see. Introduction. Welcome here. Use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down videos for complete program. At any time, you may pause the video and take the complete code, write down and practice yourself in your local computer system. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system or anywhere where the video is accessible to see. Make sure to use FAQs and practical exercise to get a great experience on HTML program. How to get an instant help? Check with your knowledge using documents. For instance, quick help, Google or Stack Overflow search techniques you have to apply. Submit your questions on Ask QA forum for detail what you have tried with screenshot or error code participated by you. How to approach the course? The best way to approach the course is review videos with your practical hands-on sessions. With the video lecture or with the concept you are practicing, revise the video a number of times till you are master on it. If you are good at lecture, follow the video guide with notebook extra information for practice a lot. Review the certain information by reading examples, the parts of video sessions. Assessments and solutions. You will be assigned a simple assessment on most of the sections. So this course journey, we have assigned a simple assessment test which is done by your previous learning lectures. So anyhow, you will be guided a solution for it with an assessment. At last, you will get a project. So thank you.